This is a severe...
Well, that just failed. See if we can catch part of the message.
County in Middle Tennessee, Cheatham County in Middle Tennessee, Northwestern Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, until 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:54 p.m. Central Standard Time, National Weather Service meteorologists detected a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing 1-inch diameter hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These severe storms extended from 6 miles west of Springfield to Burns and were moving east at 45 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Springfield, Kingston Springs, Pegram, Jolton, Ridgetop, Greenbrier, White House, Cross Plains, Beeman Park, Bells Bend, Whites Creek, and Dorlinda. Severe thunderstorms contain damaging winds 58 miles per hour or stronger, or hail 1 inch or larger. For your safety, take shelter inside a sturdy building now. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Thursday evening for Central Tennessee. A tornado watch also remains in effect until 3 a.m. Friday morning for Central Tennessee.
This is a severe weather statement from the National Weather Service.
A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Standard Time Thursday evening for Central Tennessee. A tornado watch also remains in effect until 3 a.m. Central Standard Time Friday morning for Central Tennessee.